Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, most of you already know that air purifiers have recently gotten very popular, especially here in India. Now, I live in Delhi NCR and the air quality, especially during the winters, goes absolutely berserk. I mean, you can expect AQIs from 400 to 700 and I'm pretty sure I've seen them hit 1,000 as well, which is absolutely insane. And to counter this AQI problem and to get better air quality, we have found ourselves consuming a lot more electronics in the air purifier range. Now, in today's video, I have an air purifier that does not just purify the air around you so you and I can breathe a little better, but if you are in a chilly place like Delhi where it also gets pretty cold in the winters, it will also do the job of keeping you warm. Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we're talking about the newly released Dyson Hot Plus Cool Gen 1 air purifier, which also purifies and heats the air around you and practically can actually replace your heater. If you're planning to pick this air purifier up, I've been actually using mine for a little over 2 weeks now, and I thought that I'm gonna make a video, tell you guys about it and share whether it is worth the price tag or not. With that said, if you guys end up liking this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and let me talk about this air purifier behind me that you can see. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, the size of this air purifier is very nice. It's not too big. Like, I had tested a Dyson purifier earlier a couple of years ago and that was really a large appliance, so you couldn't really keep it everywhere. Well, this one, as you can see, the size and shape of it is very portable and it comes in a revolving stand that can tilt to either direction, either upwards or downwards depending on where you keep it. And of course, it's got the famous rotating technique that will purify the air and heat it 360 degree in any room that you keep it, which I think is really good. Now, this Hot Plus Cool Gen 1 air purifier purifies 99.95% of particle matter in the room, which I think is very good. And it also heats your room in winter. You can get a temperature of up to 37 degrees Celsius and up to 9 or 10 degrees of fan speed that will actually cool the room very uniformly no matter which room you are in. It can be a small bedroom or a large living room. I think it does a pretty good job. Now, because this is a Hot Plus Cool air purifier, it also can actually give you cool air. So in the winters, you can use it for hot air and basically replace your heater. But in the summers, you can actually crank up the temperature setting down and also get cool air circulated around your room. And of course, this air is better because it is purified air. As far as a couple of specs are concerned, here are the specs of the filters that are used in this air purifier. So this is a 360 degree HEPA and activated carbon filter that captures particles as small as 0.1 microns, which I think is very good. So it basically gives you protection from all types of particulate matter out there, whether that is NO2, whether that is PM 2.5 particles. Everything is covered under this air purifier. And with all of that, it also comes with a fully sealed filtration system so that not a lot of dust particles can actually enter it and get trapped inside and hamper the filtration process. Of course, it has 360 degrees of oscillation, so it can actually orbit around your room in full 360 degrees and make sure that every corner of your room is filled with purified air and the Hot Plus Cool functionality. And along with that, it's got a powerful airflow of 290 liters per second, which I think is absolutely incredible. I mean, trust me, if you crank up the fan speed to the max, you can get a lot of airflow, whether that is hot air or cold air, filled to your room in minutes. Now, along with this Dyson Hot Plus Cool Gen 1 air purifier, you also get this very handy remote that you get with all Dyson purifiers. It's got a handy list of buttons, like a information button that cycles the information with the small display that you get on the air purifier. Along with that, you have two sliders over here. One is a fan speed slider, the other is a temperature slider with which you can set how cold or hot you want the airflow to be. Along with that, there's an auto mode that automatically senses the room around you and sets up the speed as well as the airflow that way. And of course, with that, you have the rotation button that you can set to different degrees of rotation, like 30 degrees degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on. And last but not the least, you have a handy night mode that reduces the noise emitted during higher airflow settings, and it also automatically shuts down the air purifier after an hour or so, which I think is really cool. Now overall guys, I think that this air purifier is an absolute game changer. Not only does it purify your air, but it also goes ahead and gives you a temperature setting on that. So if you want a heater and an air purifier, now you don't have to buy two products. You can just take one product, and a very high quality product at that, and it can do both things at the same time. As far as the weight is concerned, it's also pretty lightweight, so you can actually move it around the room with pretty ease. It weighs only around 5.3 kilograms. You also have a warranty of 2 years, which is very good in case anything goes wrong with your unit. Along with that, and the beautiful build quality which all Dyson products come with, and it really looks like a piece of art in your living room, oscillating around and filling your room with warm air. The price tag of this air purifier is somewhere around 56,900 or 57,000 rupees. And of course, at this price point, this is definitely not a value for money or a budget piece of equipment. There are many air purifiers in the market that you can get at a much cheaper price point. But will you get the Hot Plus Cool functionality with it, and will you get sort of Dyson's cult status which it assigns itself to when you buy any product from this brand? That is something that you need to decide for yourself in the comments. As far as the product is concerned, it's definitely a very premium high-end product that does the job that it claims to do, and it does it with a lot of finesse. The link to the product will be in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about the Dyson Hot Plus Cool Gen 1 air purifier. I for one am really loving my winter days with this. It heats the room, it purifies the room, and living in Delhi NCR, there is not much that I could ask for. Well guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Anubhav signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and have a great day guys. Peace out.